Welcome to Office Hours. I'm Greg Yatman, and once again, I'm here with Mehmet Yavuz, our CTO and co-founder at Celona. We talk about all sorts of things here at Office Hours: 5G, 4G LTE, CBRS, of course, and last episode, neutral host. So in that discussion, it got me thinking about one thing: can I use my device on one of those networks? So the question is, Mehmet, can I? And what are my options?
Hi, everyone. Yeah, you will definitely get service from the CBRS LTE network, and there are different ways to get this service. And we will just basically categorize the device in terms of, is it an enterprise managed device or is it your BYOD, bring your own device kind of category. So at high level, if you look at it, the device can be provided by the enterprise, and it's always staying in the enterprise. And this is what we call truly private LTE device. We understand that, that's easy. But some of the devices can be, again, provided by the enterprise, and those devices preferably use the CBRS, but when they leave the facility, there's a desire to use the macro network. And we call these enterprise managed devices, such as choose your own device, where basically you are using this device both at the enterprise and when you're outside the enterprise. And in those cases, the simple solution that works today is to use a dual SIM device. There are a bunch of them out there, such as iPhone 11, or there's some other phones like Pixel, Samsung, all kinds of phones out there, where basically you can put the mobile network operator SIM card as one SIM, and you can use the CBRS LTE SIM as a secondary SIM. And this can be through eSIM as well. And either by the end user or by the enterprise IT, the device is configured such that when you are in the enterprise, CBRS is a preferred network. It seamlessly selects the CBRS LTE, and when you leave the enterprise, it falls back to the macro network. And then the third category is really truly bring your own device for visitors, guests, or just walking into the facility. And in general, those devices can get service from the CBRS LTE as well. But for the locked phones and really truly mobile network operator controlled phones, you will need to have some kind of roaming engagement with the mobile network operator using the standard 3GPP interfaces. And that requires some kind of agreement to be in place. And that's kind of a developing thing. But the other category, if a device is managed by the enterprise and it's a dual SIM device, you can get service from the CBRS LTE with no problem.
Perfect. So if I've got this right, enterprise-owned, CYOD, BYOD, those three areas will get me covered in terms of devices, right?
Correct. And for those, you don't really need any direct interface or backhaul connectivity with a mobile network operator. The only time you will need that is if the devices you want to serve are mobile network operator owned, locked devices, single SIM devices, and so forth. That's also possible, but that requires some kind of agreement to be in place.
Perfect. So either way, Celona and Mehmet has your answer if you have the same device question as me.
We try to.
Fantastic. Well, thank you everyone for joining us. Hopefully you got your answer like I did today. And stay tuned for our next episode. We've got a lot more coming your way.